Hello guys, welcome to Asif Tech Pro. In this video, I show you how to make smooth text animation video like this with the help of KineMaster and PixelLab. First of all, open the PixelLab. After opening PixelLab and click three dots on top right side and select image size and click on width and type 3840 and select height 1920 and click on OK and select the text image and edit the text and enter your own text and just type your name for example and click on OK and select the size of your text and increase your text size. Click on OK. Now click your font and select any one font you want to choose any one font. I choose chunk 5. This is the best font and select relative position and click on color and select your text in which you want to change the color and I select red color for last text and click on OK and go to the transparent setting and click on transparent because it is for changing your background and your picture convert into PNG. Now your picture image convert into PNG and select save as image and click dimension customize and select the ultra and select save to gallery. Now your picture save into the gallery and now open the KineMaster. After opening KineMaster, select New Project and click Aspect Ratio 16:9 and select the media and select your background black and click on OK. Select your black background and select color and make it dark gray and select OK. Now select again OK and click layer and select image and select your folder PixelLab in which your image you type. I am type your name and now resize your image like this and click in animation, scroll down and select slide up in 0.5. Okay, and go back and select out animation, slide down in 0.5 and select OK. Now click layer again and select handwriting and select color white and click on OK and rectangular select rectangular and select your size. I am scroll slide again little bit and select your words, select your text and draw rectangular around your text like this. Draw your rectangular around your text and select animations and click in animation select draw by stroke in 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 is good and go back and select out animation erase by stroke in 0.5. Okay, and go back and select OK. Now click the layer 3, click the image layer and go to scroll down and click the crop like this. You crop like this and select the left three dots and click the duplicate. Okay, now click again second layer, click second layer and scroll down from left side and click crop again. Okay, and crop your second text like this and crop your second word like this and click on OK. Now select the second layer in animation, select slide down in animation select slide down 0.5 in 0.5 and go back and click out animation slide up in 0.5. okay, click on ok. Now I am just play the video. You can see our text is ready, but you select second layer again and go select the 0.3 0.3, make your duration is 0.3 and select the second layer and trim the left side and click on ok and go to the last and make your duration 5.65 and trim your right side and click on ok. Now go to the top, slide on the top, and now I am playing the video. You can see our animation, smooth text animation is ready. I hope you enjoy this video, and now you can easily save any resolutions and any frame rate. I hope you like this video, enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Asap Tech Pro. Thanks for watching.